A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. As per marketing subject discussion, we have started unit 4 last time. So today we are continuing with same unit. Next topic. Topic name is skills in selling and their training. When a person try to sell the product in market, a salesman try to sell the product in market. For selling the product, a salesman required a number of skills to sell in the market. Because a market is a competitive place where a person need to identify the potential customer. Afterward, a person need to satisfy the potential customer, and till the time the person is not satisfied, a person will not buy the product. So for satisfy the person, a person should have some specific skills. Skills can be like in the form of people skill, communication skill, company information skill, market information and technology skills, and self management skill. So in today's session we are continuing with different types of skills required to sell a product in a market or to maintain a good relationship with a customer. So first point, that is people skill. People skill include the concept of hard skill and soft skill. When a person is going to market to selling the product, a person should have a capability to listen to the customer. A person means a salesman should have a capability to listen to the customer. A person should have capability to find out the customer what actually customer wants. And after listening, to give the satisfactory reply to the person. So soft skill is to the listening power of person. A person should have a listening capability to the customer. Afterward, a person will reply according to the customer requirement, what the customer actually want to ask from the salesperson. So by listening patiently, the customer will feel that a salesman is good in their services, and a person will try to take product from your company or from your services. So people skill include hard skills and soft skill. Hard skills means to sell the product, which types of skill are required, and soft skill mean to say communicate, how to behave, how to listen, and how to reply to the person. So a company salesman should have the skill of people skill. To understand the people, to listen the people and to revert the specific answer according to the query. Second is communication skill. A person should have a skill of communication. A person should be soft spoken. Communication skills mean to say a person should have a capability to convince the prospect. Prospect mean to say a person who can buy your company product. So till the time you are not communicating with a person properly, you are not talking with a person properly, so it will create a major problem in generating the sale. So he should have a skill of convincing to the prospect. First, a person need to find out the prospect, who can be the prospect. Afterward, a person will try to convince the prospect. After convincing, a person will be able to sell the product. So a communication skill is required to communicate between salesman and a customer. Third one is company information. When you are going to market, while selling the product, a person should have different type of information regarding the company. Like a person should be aware about the product assortment, which type of products we are selling, how many flavors we are having, how many colors we are having, how many qualities we are having, on which level we are selling, what is the quality level, and what are the pricing policy of company, at which price how many quantities are available. If a person is buying 100 unit, then what will be the pricing policy? If a person is taking single unit, then what is the pricing policy, and which type of customer services we are providing. It is monthly basis, weekly basis, yearly basis, or quarterly basis. So a person who is a salesman that have a skill to collect the company information about the product assortment, about the quality of product, about the pricing policy of company, and the customer satisfactory services. Along with, a person should have a quality to keep the information regarding the replacement policy of product. If a person is facing any problem, what is the exchange policy of company, that should also be understood in a company information. Next part is market segmentation or market information. A person should have a quality to identify the purchasing power of the customer. It means how much amount a person can spend for your product. While you are selling product in market, we have to cover both area. Either it is rural area, either it is urban area. So a salesman should have a capability to identify the purchasing power of rural area person and urban area person. Afterward, a person will be able to assign the product to the customer. Till the time we are not knowing how much money a person can spend, we cannot identify which product we can sell in the market. So market information will try to identify the market, try to segment the market in small pieces of network, like how much percentage of product we can sell in rural area, how much we can sell product in a urban area, and which price quality product we can sell in the market. Next is information and technology skills. It is the major skill in the market because it's the time of digital marketing. So web marketing is the main concept of selling skill. Till the time a person don't know the process of online process, how to deliver the product, how to provide the information to the person, how to provide the policy of transfer the amount, because sometimes it happens a customer will ask about the online transaction policy, and if the salesman don't know about the transaction policy or amount transfer policy of company, then he will not be able to communicate properly. So a person should have a proper skill to tell the step by step process of transferring the fund. A person should have a quality to provide information online. A person should have a quality to provide the demo of product. These all skills that are available online, either in the form of videos or in the form of audios or in the form of posters or in the form of text information, that should be the communication skill that is required for a salesman in case of information and technology skill. Next is self-management skill. Self-management means to say to control yourself, how you can control, how you can work as a team leader. So a person should have a capability to manage their team. Team management, controlling the team, conducting the seminar, organizing the training programs, promoting their product, assigning the space in the market, product promotion, satisfaction of customer, satisfaction of managers. These all skills are related to the self-management, on which time, which decision we have to take, what is our policy. Self-management means to say how you are controlling yourself, how you are planning for yourself for a full day. So it should be in the form of team management, time management, controlling promotion of product, conducting seminars, training programs. These all skills are required for a salesman in the process of skill. Till the time a person should not have such type of skills, a person cannot control the department, a person will not able to sell the product, a person will not be able to generate the sale for a company on a huge amount. So these are some skills that are required for selling process. For that we need some training programs also. So if a person should be having these such type of skills, a company will get success day by day, a company will be able to generate more sale. So dear students, in today's topic we are covering this part only. If you are facing any type of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 999118890. Just you can send the WhatsApp message or you can do me the personal calling also. In next session, we will meet with the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.